FLYE Group, an electric vehicle company specializing in designing, installing, selling, and renting smart electric motorcycles, electric bikes, and electric scooters. FLYE Group designs, installs, sells, and rents smart electric vehicles under the brand FLYE e-bike, mainly electric scooters and bikes. They have announced the pricing of its public offering. The company will offer shares of common stock and warrants to purchase common stock at a public offering price of $0.2428. Each share of common stock will be sold together with 2 warrants, with each warrant exercisable immediately at an exercise price of 120% of the offering price and expiring on the 5th anniversary of the issuance date. The offering is expected to close soon, subject to customary closing conditions. The company expects to raise approximately $6.94 million in gross proceeds before deducting placement agents' fees and other offering expenses. The net proceeds from this offering will be used for purchasing inventory, production costs of its vehicles, and working capital. American Trust Investment Services is acting as the exclusive placement agent for the offering. The securities are being offered pursuant to a registration statement declared effective by the Securities and Exchange Commission. A final prospectus relating to the offering will be filed with the SEC and will be available on the SEC's website. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.